Stop scrolling and listen. If you are still chasing your first affiliate commission in 2026, stop trying to get lucky and start using a system. Now, today I'm going to cut through the noise and I'm going to give you the exact blueprint and the exact AI prompt that actually expert marketers are actually using right now to generate high ticket commissions. Now, we are not selling cheap Amazon products for pennies. And also we are actually not doing this on AliExpress, but we are selling high value software on impact.com that actually pays serious money. So if you have been doing this, like you have been selling cheap products or maybe low value products from Amazon or maybe from AliExpress or whichever platform that you are using, I want you just to stop and listen to me. Now we are using impact.com. If you haven't signed up, go ahead and sign up. It is so easy to sign up. And we are going to actually, or maybe I'm going to show you the exact how it works step by step. Okay. Now, first thing is finding the money niche. Okay, you have to make sure once you have signed up on impact.com, we have to find where the money is. And for us, it is okay if you log in into any other affiliate product, but we are using impact.com. This is where the real money is, and let me tell you why. In 2026, most profitable niches is in actually SaaS, software as a service. And I want you to think tools like AI platforms, tools like email marketing, tools like e-commerce builders. Okay, now why SaaS? Because the payouts are actually massive. Look at this. I want you to go to impact.com. Once you sign up, you go where you gonna sign up if you haven't, and then you're gonna, let's just use this dump that I actually used previously, I normally use for my affiliate tutorials. Now, this is not my real account, but we're going to be using this one. Now, this one, when you are on impact.com, I'm assuming you have signed up. You don't want to focus on just physical products that actually pay less, but we're going to be focusing, like I say, on SaaS. I'm going to come here where it says home. We have this home, we have this discover. Okay, once you do the discover, you can see application, find brands, find products, find companies, find my brands, my campaign tasks, my brand stores, surveys, my brands export. We're going to be focusing here, find brands, and this is where we're going to be actually looking for brands. Okay, this is where brands, all kind of brands are here. You can see all brands here. You can see pre-approved, the ones that you don't need to do a lot of things, but they are here, all of them. Okay, all these are big brands that you can work with, and we're going to be focusing on SaaS, like I said. For instance, we're going to be using today, let's say Shopify. So you're going to go here and type in Shopify. Okay, just like that. Shopify. Okay, and then I think I already signed up for Shopify. That's why you won't see it here. But if you go here, just to let you know that I already done that. If you go here, I want to show you where to generate the links. I've already done that. So if you go here, Shopify, you will see it here, and then you copy here. Okay, it's gonna generate my link. But I just want to show you Shopify that I'm doing. So this is the link that it has generated. This is Shopify. Okay. Okay, so this is Shopify we're going to be using, or maybe we're going to be promoting. Now, once you are there, or maybe once you are on Impact, let's go back to Impact. Like I said, you look for brands. Where were we? You look for brands. Okay, remember Shopify is one of the well-known that has a lot of payouts. Now, companies like Shopify will often pay you a flat bounty. Sometimes it gives you actually $150 or more just for getting one person to upgrade to a paid plan. Isn't that just it is just amazing? And then it also, even when you give that link, it says here your business starts here, start for free, keep building for only $1. And you remember you are selling for only $1 per month, plus up to 8 credits as you. If someone sees it is just $1 per month, chances are they're gonna sign up. Now, other softwares pay recurring commission every single month. You only need a few sales a month to actually see a real income. Okay, we have our product now. Okay, let's say we have just chosen Shopify, and I'm not just limiting you to Shopify only. We have a lot of them. You can actually look for what we have Shopify, we have Canva Pro, we have LinkedIn Learning, we have a lot, depending on which one you want. Okay, especially the ones that actually are into SaaS. Okay, now that we have our product, let's say we are focusing on Shopify, we're gonna do what now we want to sell it without sounding like a slimy salesperson. You don't just pop up with Shopify and just advertising or maybe telling people that you want to actually sell. The thing is, once you have your link, you have signed up on impact.com, you have gotten your link for Shopify to promote this, you have to master the prompt, and I'm going to leave that prompt in the description that you guys can actually use for free. Okay, this is where most beginners fail. They write bland, buy this product, and or maybe use this link. People won't do that because they already know that this is an affiliate product, or maybe you are just selling them something. The pros use what's called the PAS. Now, what is PESD formula? This is problem, agitate, solution, and demonstration. Okay, we need to find people already looking for a solution and show them why our product is actually the answer. Now, I have developed a master prompt that forces the AI to actually use this exact formula. Now, I'm going to give you the formula because I already written here. This is the formula that we're going to be using. Okay, this is the formula that we're going to be using. I wanted to write it here so that I don't forget. This is the formula. And you can see this formula says, this is just one prompt. Act as a world-class affiliate copywriter and promoting a certain impact.com product, let's say Shopify. For instance, we're going to already done that. We're going to be using Shopify. This is the prompt that we're going to be using. Act as a world-class affiliate copywriter and promoting Shopify to an audience of busy mompreneurs trying to scale their digital and also physical product businesses. Write a converting trust-led review using the PASD formula: problem, agitate, solution, demonstration. Target keywords: best e-commerce platform for mompreneurs. Follow this strict structure, and then it gives the strict structure: the hook, problem, the agitate, solution, demonstration, objection handling, and call to action. Tone: authoritative, empathetic, highly actionable, and strictly fluff-free. Okay, once you do that, once you insert that into any AI, it's going to give you what? It's going to give you the feedback. Now, I want to show you the feedback that we have gotten from that. Okay, let me just change this to this color. Okay, this is the feedback. It's going to give you this feedback that you're going to be using to promote Shopify or any other SaaS platform. Now, the title: the best e-commerce platform for mompreneurs. Stop wasting nap time on tech. Okay, we were targeting mompreneurs. Now, it says, this is the outcome that AI has given us. It says, let's be honest, you didn't start business to become a full-time web developer. You started it for financial freedom and flexibility, but right now you are probably spending more time fixing broken checkout links and updating random website plugins than actually creating products. Every minute, now I won't read everything, but you can see this has been analyzed very well. Stop fighting your tech and start scaling your store. Click here to start your Shopify trial for just $1 per month, and then you're going to insert your impact affiliate program link and get your shop on the running. So this is the outcome. that we have got here. Okay, now if you do this, you are not sounding like you are actually what, a salesy person. This is right here, this is golden ticket. And then if you done that, you will see the brackets, like if you have actually used this, or maybe you are not copying all of this, maybe you are creating a video, or maybe a reel, and you are talking like this, or maybe you are saying these things. Okay, now that we have done that, that is just one way of actually promoting. It's not like saying that you're going to be promoting all of it. Okay, you see this prompt, what it does, it hooks them by talking about their problem, wasting time on tech, and also it agitates that pain, and then only then does it introduce Shopify as their solution. It even actually handles objections about the price before the reader can actually even think about that. Okay, the price has been mentioned here, and that's what people love actually. And finally, a call to action. You take this text, twerk it to sound a bit more like you, inside your impact.com affiliate link right there, and you have a high converting blog post, or maybe even if it is an email or maybe a video script, ready to go in minutes. Isn't just amazing, guys? I want you to try this. I'll leave the prompt in my description, and that is actually the system that I'm talking about. Find a high value SaaS offer on impact.com or any other platform. I prefer Impact because that's where I have done, and also I've seen my results more. And use the master PASD prompt to actually start making content. Publish the content and wait. Of course, it won't just take the same day for people to actually just buy. They're gonna take some time. Don't overcomplicate things. Your first commissions, okay, on your first commissions, sometimes it takes times, it takes months, it takes some year. But the thing is, if you master the right prompt that you can use, you master the right way to actually talk to your audience, chances are people will start using your your affiliate links, and also chances are you won't be wasting time on cheap products that pay less commissions. Can you imagine if one person sign up and you get that commissions? Okay, if just one person, and if let's say, let me just pause a bit to show you what Shopify pays you. Okay, you see the reason why I say you promote this SaaS, big SaaS like Shopify. You see, in full price shop, you're gonna earn $25 to $150. That's amazing. Okay, now something that people actually don't realize is that if you can just get two people who will sign up, these are actually things that this is good money that you're going to be making. And it's not just limited to there. You can see retain full price shops and a lot of things here that you guys didn't see. Let me remove this. Okay, so per 30 days EPC 3.89, which is one amazing. But can you imagine if someone sign up, chances are you're gonna getting this. So this is just one. I'm not saying only this. We have Shopify, we have impact.com also. I saw it, it's one of the amazing. We have Impact, we have CapCut, we have which one? Let me show you. Impact.com, Impact, this one. Okay, also here, and $25 and above, which is amazing, guys. So instead of you wasting time on products like maybe a mug which pays maybe $1, $2, why not try this formula and actually start earning high ticket commissions? Don't overcomplicate your first commissions, and don't just say that it's gonna take a few hours for you to get it. Of course, it's gonna take some time. Otherwise, guys, I'll come up with more prompts, with more ways, more system to actually start earning your first amount. The first thing I want you to do, if you haven't done that, is to go to sign up on impact.com. Please do that. Registration, if you want a full video on how to sign up, it's not hard actually, guys, but if you want that video, I'll do it. Otherwise, until next time, guys, I'll see you. Take care. Bye bye.